Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off Google Safe Search in Safari. So for you to do that, you have to open your Safari, then you use the search bar and type in google.com. Once you type, then you log in your Google account. Okay, good. Trying to see if I'm gonna log in this or not. No thanks. So you can see my Google is actually logged in. So I'm just going to click on the name icon. You can see. Okay, good. Then I'm just going to click on manage your Google account. Or probably I don't need to do that. Okay, just scroll down a little, then you click on Safe Search. Then from here you can set yours to be filtered or blur. So whenever you have a sensitive content, it will be blur, or especially when you are on a particular website where they share all this exclusive content like sexual activities, graphic violence, stuff like that. Once this is off, it will block it. So if you don't want that, you can simply put it on off, or you can simply filter it or blur it, and that's it. If you find the video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.